Hello and welcome to the Texology. I am CA Priyanshu Goyal and this audio episode is part of my podcast series The Texology, which aims at imparting information on crucial concepts of Indian taxation scenario. If you prefer to listen in Hindi, you can watch my videos on YouTube and Instagram. You can find my profile by the name CA Priyanshu Goyal. As like other episodes in this series, this is going to be a very short clip with the aim of conveying only relevant matter. Before we begin with today's content, I would just like to mention that if you feel like connecting with me, I am available on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter by the name CA Priyanshu Goyal. Finance Act 2023 introduced new tax rates and going forward, new tax regime will be the default tax regime. However, there is option available to opt out of this regime and choose the old tax regime. But here the concern is that how will the TDS be deducted on the salary given that there are two options available with the employees and he or she can choose any of the regimes. How should employer deal with this? Addressing the issue in discussion, CBDT recently issued a circular wherein by virtue of powers under section 119 of the Income Tax Act, CBDT directed that employer shall seek information from each of its employees regarding their intended tax regime, and the employer shall further compute total income and deduct TDS under section 192 according to the option exercised by the employee. It has been clarified by the circular that intimation would not amount to exercising the option, and the person shall have to do so separately as per the provisions of the law. It has also been clarified that if employee does not make any intimation, then it shall be presumed that employee continues to be in default tax regime, that is the new tax regime, and has not exercised the option to opt out of such new tax regime. In such a case, employer shall deduct TDS as per the new tax rates. So that's all for this clip. I hope you'll find this useful, and if there's any related query or question about this, feel free to reach out to me on info@priyanshugoyal.com.